Hello, I'm in a 2012 GMC Terrain, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your traction control. So while the vehicle's turned on, we're going to look for this button here. This is your traction control off, and then you push it again to turn it on. And you'll know it's off because on the display here, it's going to see this traction control off symbol. Most of the time you're driving though, you'll want it turned on. And as you can see, prompted it's on. Times you might want it off is if, say, you're towing something, just so the transmission acts a different way versus with the traction control on. And then say you're in really rough road conditions, like a lot of loose gravel, snow, mud, ice, things like that, you might turn it off. Just that way, sometimes the wheel's spinning a certain way, it's easier to get unstuck or not get stuck. And if you're having issues with that traction control symbol not going away at all, there might be something messed up or broken within your suspension system or with this button itself. So that's something you might need to get repaired if that just will not disappear. Because again, yeah, something suspension related might need work done. But I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.